Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make seafood mix soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of your favorite mixed seafood, like shrimp, scallops, and mussels. For the flavorful base, have 4 cups of quality fish or vegetable broth ready. Don't forget to chop 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 vibrant red bell pepper to build those foundational flavors. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, garlic, and bell pepper, sautéing them until they're wonderfully soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano to infuse the vegetables with warm, aromatic notes. Then, quickly sear your mixed seafood for just 2 to 3 minutes to lock in its freshness. It's time to bring everything together for that rich, comforting soup. Pour in your 4 cups of fish or vegetable broth, along with 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Stir everything well, then bring the soup to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's perfect for you. Your delicious seafood mix soup is now ready to enjoy. For a fresh finish, garnish each bowl with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or cilantro. Serve it piping hot, perhaps alongside some crusty bread to soak up every last drop of that amazing broth. It's a truly satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.